Welcome everyone. I am Navya Banod, pursuing BSc 3rd MPCS at TTWRDC Women's Kottagudem. Today I am here to share a brief information about plane section of sphere in the mathematics in the subject of solid geometry. So let's start the brief introduction and know how it works. So here we are observing that Here we are observing that a sphere and the plane. Here we are observing that a sphere and the plane. The intersection of the plane and the sphere gives the circle. That means consider a plane and a sphere. We have points in common. That is the intersection of sphere and the plane at these set of common points is called plane section of sphere. That means when we are considering a plane and the sphere and we are having the points of sphere and the plane in common, so that the intersection of this plane and that plane together gives a circle, and that is called plane section of sphere. So here we are observing a diagram of the plane and the sphere of the points in common, and here we can find out that the intersection of sphere and the plane forms a circle. So here O be the center of the sphere and M be the from the center to the plane. And next here we can see the plane dissection and plane section. If it is not, that means the part which is not included in the sphere, it gives us the plane dissection, and which is considered into the sphere and formed the circle is called the section. Finally we get that the intersection of this plane and the sphere gives a circle. That means the plane section of the sphere is a circle. And here we observe that a sphere and in that a circle. That means the plane and the sphere are intercepted. The equation of the sphere with origin as centered and radius is given by x square plus y square plus z square is equals to r square. This means the standard equation with the origin means u comma v comma w. That means center minus u minus v and minus w are 0 comma 0 comma 0. Hence the standard equation is x square plus y square plus z square is equals to r square. Consider this equation as equation 1. And next let c be the center and it is of a comma b comma c with the center of the plane intersection of the sphere, whose equation we have to find out. That means circle equation we have to find out. The OC segment, the line segment OC drawn from the center of the sphere to the plane, it gives the perpendicular distance from the plane to the sphere. So that means the foot of the perpendicular from the plane. So let P of x comma y comma z be the point on the plane section. The direction ratios of PC are a comma minus b comma a comma b comma c, and it's perpendicular to OC. Using this condition of the perpendicularity, we have x minus a into a, y minus b into b plus z minus c into c is equals to 0. Consider this equation as equation 2. Equation 2 is satisfied by the condition of the point P on the plane. So here we have a problem of finding the equation of the sphere which passes through the circle equation and the having the plane equation, and they gave that radius also. So obtain the equation of the sphere which passes through the circle x square plus y square plus z square x square plus y square is equals to 4 and z is equals to 0 and is cut by the plane x square plus x plus 2y plus 2z is equals to 0 in a circle of radius 3. Here how we can find out means the solution is given that the circle equation is x square plus y square plus z square is equals to 4 and z is equals to 0. So here here we have a circle and the plane. So the circle and the sphere together gives the circle equation. So how we are getting means this is the circle equation and in that we have the plane equation. So in that the intersection of this sphere equation and the plane equation together it is forming that a circle equation. Here we can see that the sphere equation and the plane equation together gives the circle equation. So from the figure we can observe that C be the center of the sphere, P be the point on the sphere and M be the foot of the perpendicular from the plane to the center of the sphere. So how we can find out the circle equation? How we can find out the sphere equation means given that the circle equation is x square plus y square plus z square is equals to 4 and z is equals to 0. It can be written as x square plus y square plus z square minus 4 is equals to 0 and z is equals to 0. So let the equation of the sphere through the circle equation 1. Let us consider the above equation as equation 1 and it is b x square s plus lambda is l is equals to 0 and here we having the s equation as x square plus y square minus 4 is equals to 0 and z is equals to 0 and z is equals to 0. So from that x square plus y square plus 0 into z square minus 4 plus lambda into z equals to 0. So 0 is considered in front coefficient of z square because of we are having z is equals to 0 as a plane equations. So here lambda be the parameter and equation 2 can be written as x square plus y square plus 0 into z square plus lambda into z minus 4 is equals to 0. Consider this equation as 3. From equation 3 we get the center of the equation. How we can find out the center equation means center c is equals to minus 2 comma minus 3 comma minus w. Hence it can be the equation 3 can be compared as a general equation x square plus y square plus z square plus 2u plus 2v plus 2w plus t is equals to 0 and find out that 2u is equals to 0, 2v is equals to 0 and 2w is equals to minus lambda. So u is equals to 0, v is equals to 0 and w is equals to minus lambda by 2 and c of minus u comma minus v comma minus w we get 0 comma 0 comma minus lambda by 2. Radius of the sphere is root of minus u square plus minus v square plus u square plus v square plus w square minus d. So that is Cp is equals to root of lambda square by 4 plus 4. So given that the sphere equation 2 is cut by the plane x plus 2y plus 2z is equals to 0 and in the circle of radius 3 from the center C let us Draw the CM be the perpendicular to the plane x plus 2y plus 2z is equals to 0. Then CM is equals to the perpendicular distance from C of minus 0 comma 0 comma minus lambda by 2 onto the plane x plus 2y plus 2z is equals to 0. And the perpendicular distance from the formula of foot of the perpendicular of the plane to the point in the sphere, we get CM is equals to 1 into 0 plus 2 into 0 plus 2 into minus lambda by 2 by root of 1 plus 4 plus 4. That means 2 square plus 2 square. And CM is equals to mod of root of the perpendicular formula. So that we can get CM is equals to mod of lambda minus lambda by root 9. So mod is for always positive values. Hence we get that CM is equals to lambda by 3. And from the hypothesis we have that radius as the MP is equals to 3. From the formula of triangle, hypotenuse square is equals to side square plus side square. So we are having that CP is equals to root of lambda square by 4 plus 4, and CM is equals to lambda by 3, and PM is equals to 3. So we get lambda square by 4 plus 4 root of lambda square by 4 plus 4 whole square is equals to lambda by 3 whole square plus 3 whole square. So that gives lambda square by 4 plus 4. That means root and square are cancelled. Lambda square by 4 plus 4 is equals to lambda square by 9 plus 3 square means 9. So lambda square plus 16 by 4 is equals to lambda square plus 81 by 9. This comes from the LCM. 9 lambda square plus 144 minus 4 324 is equals to 0. 5 lambda square minus 180 is equals to 0. 5 lambda square is equals to 180. Lambda square is equals to 36. Lambda is equals to plus or minus 6. And from we are having that lambda of two values, one is positive and one is negative. By substituting that parameter value into the equation, we get the required equation of sphere as x square plus y square plus or minus 6z minus 4 is equals to 0. That is x square plus y square plus or minus 6z minus 4 is equals to 0. For positive value of lambda, we get lambda is equals to plus 6. That means x square plus y square plus 6z minus 4 is equals to 0. And for lambda is equals to minus 6, we get x square plus y square minus 6z plus 4 is equals to 0. Hence, we obtained the equation of plane section of the sphere is a circle. So, we got the sphere equation. And also we know that great circle. What is mean by great circle means, here also we can consider that one sphere and a plane equation. One sphere and a plane, and we can find out that the sphere equation. How we can find? First of all, what is mean by great circle? That means in the plane section of sphere, we know that the intersection of the plane and the sphere together gives a circle. In this also, the intersection of the sphere and the plane gives a circle. What is the great circle? That means the intersection of the plane and the sphere, that means the plane which passes through the center of the sphere. Through the center of the sphere gives the great circle. So this is the great circle. Here also we are having only the two tools, that are sphere and a circle. That intersection gives the great circle. Only the concept which differs the plane section of the sphere and the great circle is, in the plane section of the sphere we having any intersection of the plane and the sphere gives the circle, and in the great circle we are having that the plane which passes through the sphere at the center point gives the great circle. So thank you all for having this video.